Mullend Gum Repair Gel is a natural oral care product that claims to strengthen and restore gum health. Priced at around $35 to $40 per tube, this gel has been gaining attention online for its promise to heal bleeding gums, reduce sensitivity, and even help reverse gum recession. Mullend markets it as a gentle yet powerful formula that penetrates deep into gum tissue to nourish, soothe, and rebuild from within, a kind of natural alternative to dental procedures for gum repair. The company says it works by delivering active nutrients directly to the gums. Some of the key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, aloe vera, chamomile, vitamins C, E, B12, and D, and grapeseed oil. Each of these has a specific role in oral care. Hyaluronic acid is known for improving tissue hydration and supporting healing, while CoQ10 helps reduce inflammation and boosts gum cell energy. Aloe vera and chamomile provide soothing and anti-inflammatory effects, calming irritated or swollen areas. Vitamins C and E act as antioxidants, helping tissue regeneration and protecting against oxidative stress. And grapeseed oil offers mild antibacterial and moisturizing properties. Together, these ingredients create a formula that aims to rebuild gum tissue and strengthen the bond between gums and teeth. Many users online mention seeing small but noticeable improvements after consistent use, things like less gum bleeding, a fresher mouthfeel, and reduced irritation. Some reviews say their gums felt healthier and firmer after a few weeks, and that their bad breath improved. However, not everyone was happy. A few buyers complained that the results didn't match the bold claims, saying the gel didn't stop bleeding or that the tube ran out too quickly. Others noted inconsistencies between the advertised ingredients and what was listed on the packaging, which raised some questions about transparency. Overall, Mullend Gum Repair Gel seems like a decent option if you're looking for a natural product to support your gum health, especially for mild inflammation or sensitivity. It's soothing, hydrating, and may help with comfort, but it's not a miracle fix for advanced gum recession or periodontal disease. If used alongside good oral hygiene and regular dental care, it could be worth trying. But manage your expectations, and don't skip the dentist if your gums are severely receding or bleeding persistently.